first stretch is pike, and during this stretch, it's super important to keep a flat back. So to start, we're just going to reach forward and make sure you're not curving your back. If you can, keep reaching closer to the ground until your torso is in a diagonal line like this. You're now going to go into a full stretch, so let your hips sink as close to the ground as you can. This is one of the best stretches for hamstring flexibility, which is why it is one of the 3 stretches in this routine. You can also do pike in a seated position, so that's what we're going to do next to get an even deeper stretch in your hamstrings. We're basically going to reach forward into the same position that you were standing, and for this first one, make sure that your toes are pointed. You can now sit up, but keep your legs straight out in front of you. Then flex your feet and reach forward to grab your toes if you can. If you can't reach your toes yet, that's totally fine. Just reach towards your shins. Once you're sitting like this, try to pull your legs upwards. And for our final position in pike stretch, lean forward so that you feel an even deeper stretch in your hamstrings. While you're doing it this time, make sure to keep your feet flexed. You can now sit up from your pike stretch, and now it's time for our second stretch, which is bridges. You're going to start with a foot stretch in modified bridge. To do this, just lift up your hips like I'm demonstrating and transfer your weight over your toes. We are going to repeat that stretch with only one foot lifted, so you feel more of a stretch in that foot.
Next level.
Now repeat, but this time switch your legs forward.
Next level.
We are about to starting with just a regular lunge, so keep your chest up and try to push your back leg as close to the ground as you can.